Peloton troubleshooting software glitches. Peloton bikes are known for their high-tech features and user-friendly interface, but sometimes you might face software glitches. These issues can disrupt your workout sessions. Let's dive into common software problems and how to fix them. App crashes. App crashes can be frustrating. They usually occur due to bugs or memory issues. Here are some steps to fix them. Restart your Peloton bike. Close any background apps running on your device. Clear the app cache. Update the Peloton app to the latest version. If the app still crashes, try reinstalling it. Back up your data before you do this. Update failures. Updates are crucial for smooth performance. Sometimes updates fail to install. Here's what you can do. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Restart your Peloton bike. Check for available storage space. Try to update the app again. If the update still fails, contact Peloton support. They can provide further assistance.
This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.